Hello friends, today we will learn about averages. Basically, the average is the arithmetic mean of the given data. For example, if the x1, x2, x3 and x4 up to xn be any n quantities, that is data, then the average means arithmetic mean of these n quantities will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus up to xn divided by n. Okay, this is the arithmetic mean. Okay. Properties of average. Let's know about the properties of the average. The average of any two or more quantities necessarily lies between the lowest and highest values of the given data, that is if x1 and xh be the lowest and the highest values of the data, then x1, x2 up to xl up to xh up to xn, then xl is smaller than average is smaller than xh and xl is not equal to xh. Okay, that is xl equals to xl is smaller than x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 up to xl कर देते l. This is 1, this is l up to x h up to x n divided by n is smaller than x n xh. Okay, let's see one example. Okay, so that we can understand. So the average of, there is one question example, average of average of 8, 9, 12, 13, 15 and 9 is how much? We will see. There is how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll add some. We'll add all. How much we will get? Divide by 6. 6 numbers. So this is plus. So we have 66 divided by 6 equals to 11. This is the answer. Average is 11. Again we will see. Another question is, A has 8 pencils. A has 8 pencils. B has 10 pencils. And C has 15 pencils. Then the average number of pencils with them are how much? So we have to add these 3. So 3 items. So divide by 3 equals to how much? 25 plus 8. 33 divided by 3 equals to 11. So the average number of pencils they have is 11. This is the answer. Next question we'll see. A, B, C, D, E are the 5 electronic shops in the Naja market which have 20, 30, 60, 80 and 50 TV sets with them respectively. Then the average number of TV set in each shop is how much? So we have average number of TV sets is here 20. We have to add these all 20 plus 30 plus 60 plus 80 plus 50 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals to 100. This is 100, 240. Yeah? Divided by 5. Pencil code here. 48. So 48 will be the answer. Average TV set is 40 in average. In previous now another question example we'll see. Another question is the average number of shirts with Salman, Ambani and Dalmia is 60. If all of them reached a shopping mall in Gurgaon purchased 6 shirts each of them, then the average number of shirts each of them now has how many? So required average. So here we want required average equals to old average plus new average equals to old average Salman Ambani Dalmia is 60. Old average is 60 plus new average is 6. So 66 is the required average. A, B, C, D, E, F are the only 6 families in Indira Nagar. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F are the A, B, C, D, E, F are the only 6 families in Indira Nagar. A, B, C, D, E, F has 7, 8, 10, 13, 6 and 10 members in their families respectively. If one member from all the 6 families left their respective families to accommodate themselves in the hostel of IIM Lucknow, then the average number of members now in each family of Indira Nagar is how much? Now, required average. These all are 7, 8, 10, 13, 6, 10. They all they have if one member from all the 6 families left their respective families, means from every family one person is going to hostel. So 7 minus 1, our required average we want 7 minus 1 plus 8 minus 1 plus 10 minus 1 plus 13 minus 1 plus 6 minus 1 plus 10 minus 1 divided by how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we'll see how much. And sorry, one person is gone. So we after this we'll minus that one. This is 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 12 plus 5 plus 9 divided by 6. As we don't know from which family the person is gone, so I'll write this one. I'll add 48 divided by 6 equals to 8. This is the answer. Now next question. Last year, Sahara, Tata, Singhania and Birla each has 250 industries. This year, everyone has sold out 10 factories due to the recession of the economy and poor turnout. The average number is of industries which each of them now has how much? So last year of Sahara, Tata, Singhania and Birla each has 250 industries. 250 means old average. Required average equals to old average minus new average. So our old average is 250. Then this year everyone has out sold out 10 factories due to the recession of the economy and poor turnout. So minus 10. The average number of industries, which of them now has 240. The required average is 240. This is the answer. If each quantity is multiplied by a certain value k, then the new average is the product of old average with k. Let's know Another example. In a flower shop, there were 6 flowers in each bucket. If the seller has doubled the number of flowers in each bucket, then the new average of flowers in each bucket is how much? Now, in the flowers of 6 flowers in each bucket. So, we want required average equals to, in the flowers of there are 6 flowers. So, old, we know for required average is old average minus if the seller has doubled the number of flowers in each bucket, then the new average of flowers, which means required average is old average into multiplied plicand लिख देते हैं multiplicand, that means 6 into, if the seller has doubled the number of each flowers in each bucket, then new average will be 6 into 12, 2 equals to 12. 12 is the average, which is the answer. If each quantity is divided by certain quantity k, then the new average becomes 1 by k times of the initial average, where k is not equals to 0. Let's see one example about this comment. Okay, about this rule. The average of 100, average of 100, 200, 300, 400 up to 1000 is average, means it will add plus up to 1000 divided by 10 equals to 550. It is given. If each number is divided by 5, then new average will be equal to how much? If each number is divided by 5, suppose the new average will be 550 divided by, each number will be divided by 5, will be 110. This is the answer. Next question. If A be the average of x1, x2, xm up to y1, y2 up to yn, where x1, x2 up to xm be the below A and y1, y2, y3 up to yn be the above A, then A minus x1, then our rule is another rule, A minus x1 plus A minus x2 plus up to A minus xm equals to y1 minus A plus y2 minus A plus up to yn minus A. That is, the surplus above the average is always equal the net deplete between average. Let's see one example. The salary of A, B, C, D, E is 8,000, 5,000. Salary of A, B, C, D, E is A salary is 8,000, B salary is 500, 5,000, C is 11,000, D is 7,000, E salary is 9,000. Then 9,000 per month respectively. Then the average salary of A, B, C, D, E per month is how much? So we'll add all 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divide by 5 will be how much? Will be 8,000. This is the answer. Okay. Now another question. The average of 6 numbers is 13, 17, 25. We will add 25 plus 11 plus 26 plus 10 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. Huh? So the average of 6 numbers 13, 17, 25, 11, 26 and 10 is how much? Let the average be 20. Okay, here we'll take average. Let the average will be 20. So as the number is not it's increasing and again decreasing, so in this case we will take one number as average. From that only 20 minus 13 will be 7, 20 minus 17 will be 3. We will not take like this, we will not add this one because here not the same is there. So numbers are 13, 17, 25, 11, 26, 10. Okay, so 20 minus 17, 20 minus 11 is 9, 20 minus 10 is 10, 20 minus 25 is 5, 20 minus 26 is 6. So total this is 29 is deficit and 11 is the 5 plus 6, 11 is the surplus. Okay, so the net difference between surplus and deficit is 11 minus 29 equals to minus 18. Okay, therefore average variation will be minus 18 divided by 6 equals to minus 3. Minus 3 will be average variation. So actual average will be average will be 20, as we have taken as assume 20 plus minus 3 equals to 17. 17 will be the answer. Okay. Now weight average. Weighted average. When the average of groups or sets instead of individuals having different number of elements is being calculated, then it is called the weighted average. Again I am saying, when the average of groups or sets instead of individuals having different number of elements is being calculated, then it is called the weighted average. Since in this case the number of elements is different for the different sets, thus they carry different weightage. If the number of elements in n different groups be k1, k2, k3, k4 up to kn, and the averages of the respective groups be a1, a2, a3, a4, an, then the weighted average will be, I'll write down, weighted average will be k1 a1 plus k2 a2 plus k3 a3 up to kn an divided by k1 plus k2 plus k3 plus up to kn. Okay. The average salary, let's see the one example so that we can understand. Okay, the average salary of 12 employees of Star Plus is 18,000 per month. How much? 18,000 per month. Okay. And 15 employee of NDTV is 16,000 per month. Here average salary of 12 persons. So, and NDTV average 15 employees of NDTV. 15 employees of NDTV is 16,000. Okay. So, the average salary of all the 27 employees is how much? So, here 12 plus 15, 27. So, we will add this one, divide by, according to our rule, 12 plus 15. Okay. So, how much? 4, 5, 6, 0, 0, 0 divided by 27 equals to rupees 16,888. This is the answer. Got it? We'll see next question. Okay. The number of students at IIM in morning batch, evening batch and weekends batch is 30, 40 and 60 respectively. The respective average ages are 22, 21, 25. Then the average age of all students combinedly is how much? Okay, let's see. Again, I am studying the question, reading the question. The number of students at IIM in morning batch, evening batch and weekend batch is 30, 40 and 60 respectively. And the respective average ages are 22, 21, 25. Then the average age of the student is how much? So divide by 30 plus 40 plus 60 equals to, this is 130, this is plus 3000 divided by 130. So 0 0 cancel. This will be 23 of 1 by 13 years. This is the answer. Okay. Now, next questions. Problems based on age. How we will find out the age. Okay. Next rule. If the average age of n members of a family is x years, then k years back, the average age of the family is x minus k years, provided that no any person is expired or born in k years period. If the present age of n members of a family is x years, then k years later the average age of the same family will be x plus k years. The average age of 7 members, let's see one example so that we can understand. The average age of 7 members of Patel family is 25 years. How much? 25 years. The average of the same family 3 years ago was how much? Average age of 7 members of Patel's family is 25 years. So present average age of the family is 25 years. This is present age. Okay. 3 years ago, 3 years ago, average age family will be 25 minus 3 equals to 22 years. Okay. Next question. The average age of the 16 professors of Lucknow University is 52 years. Okay. 4 years later, the average age of the 16 professor will be 4 years later, the average age of all the 16 professors will be, if there is no one retirement or recruitment, then how much? Present age is 52. So 4 years later, after 4 years, we can add. After 4 years, the average age will be 52 plus 4. It will be 56 years. Okay. 6 months ago, the present age of the student of class 10th was 14 years. 6 months Hence, the age of the same students will be how much? Since the time difference between two dates is 1 year, hence the average age will be increased by 1 year. Thus, the average age of the class 6 months, hence will be 15 years. Next example, the average age of Priyambada's family consisting of 5 members 3 years ago was 35 years. 1 year ago, a new baby was born in this family. 3 years, hence the average age of the family will be how much? 3 years ago, total age of the family member is 5 into 35. 5 into 35 will be 175 years. And then at the time of birth of new baby, total age of the family will be 175 plus 2 into 5. Okay, so 175 plus 10 equals to 185 years. And the present age of the family is present age equals to, this is 185 plus 1 into 6 equals to 185 plus 6 equals to 191 years. 3 years, hence 3 years, the average age of family equals to 191 plus 3 into 6 divided by 6 equals to 34 5 by 6. So 34 of 5 by 6 years. This is the answer. Okay. Now next question. 10 years ago, the average age of all the 25 teachers of the girls' college was 45 years. 4 years ago, the principal has retired from her post at the age of 60 years. So, after 1 year, a new principal whose age was 54 years recruited from outside. The present average age of all the teachers is, if principal is also considered as a teacher, is how much? We have to find out. So, first clue we have 10 years ago, average age of how many teachers? 25 teachers. 25 teachers equal to 45 years. Okay. 4 years ago, just before the retirement of the principal, average age of 25 teachers equals to 45 plus 6 equals to 51 years. And the same time, total age of 25 teachers at the same time, total age of 25 teachers equals to 51 into 25 equals to 1275. Yes. And the total age of remaining 24 teachers when just principal has retired. Total when principal is just retired. At that time 1275 minus 60. As principal's age is 60. So we'll get 1215 years. 1 year later, total age of 24 teachers will be 1 year later. Total age of 24 teachers will be 1215 plus 1 into 24 equals to 1239 years. Okay. And the total age of the 25 teachers including new principals just after the recruitment is 1239 plus the new principal's age is 54. So we will add this one. 54 equals to 1293 years. Thus the present age of all the 25 teachers is 1293 plus 3 into 25. Okay. So equals to 1368 years. Hence the present age of 25 teachers will be, the average age of 25 teachers will be 1368 divided by 25 equals to 54 of 118 divided by 25 years. This is the answer. Got it? Next question is the ratio of the age of father and daughter at present is 3:1. 4 years ago the ratio was 4:1. The average age of the father and daughter 2 years hence will be how much? So how to solve this problem? Let the present age of the father will be, as it is given 3:1, so we will take 3x, and the daughter's age is x. Okay, so the 4 years ago the father's age and daughter's age will be 3x minus 4 and x minus 4. Okay, therefore 4 years ago the ratio was 4:1. So therefore 3x minus 4 divided by 3x minus 4 divided by x minus 4 equals to 4 by 1. We'll solve this one. By solving we'll get 3x minus 4 equals to 4 of x minus 4 plus 3x minus 4, 4x minus 16 and plus 3x minus 4x minus 4 plus 16 equals equals to 0 implies minus x plus 12 equals to 0 implies x minus 12 equals to 0 implies x equals to 12 x equals to 12 and we have 3x equals to 3 into 12 36. So the father's age is 36 and the daughter's age is 12. Hence the present average age of father and daughter will be 24 years and the average age 2 years hence will be 26 years. This is the answer. Okay. Thank you.